Have you ever thought about how frustrating and challenging researching a pool can be? Has it ever felt like shopping for a used car for you as far as the anxiety, the frustration, the confusion goes? In this video, we want to give you things you should expect from the pool industry versus what we get when we shop the pool industry. So if I were you, I'd be thinking, well, everything you're about to share makes Shasta look pretty great. Candidly speaking, we have bumped our knees a little bit on these topics. For a while, we were telling families, no, you've got to meet with us in order to get the pricing, or, pools are so complicated. It's kind of like asking what's the price of a car? What's the price of a house? There's so many variables. It's so detailed. But what we've come to realize and believe is that you are smart enough to determine that. We want to arm you with that information. I personally have not visited home sites because it's a long day, or I'm just trying to meet with as many people as I can, and I've used Google Maps. So knowing that and knowing the frustration that it's caused and the confusion it's caused to some families, we're taking a totally different approach. You've probably been dreaming about this pool for quite some time. You have a vision of it. You've been dreaming about what it should look like. But the frustration you experience is you go to the website and you see more pictures. That's not the information you need. What you should expect is a website that gives you candid information, transparent information about the cost you should expect and the cost of ownership. Don't settle for a lack of candid information on a website and, well, you need to meet with us before you get that information. No, if you are meeting with a company that is transparent and trustworthy, all of that information is going to be on the website, enough for you to gather information to get to set the appointment. One thing you will run into, if you haven't already, is Google Maps. The pool industry loves to zoom in and use Google Maps and not do site visits. We'll admit this would be so much easier for everyone, ourselves included in the pool industry, just to sit at a desk and zoom in and drop your pool shape in, the pool design that you love. Here's what you should expect. You should expect an on-site visit with specific measurements. A foot here or a foot there could be all the difference in how long the permit takes, what costs you incurred later. Does the price increase on you after the fact? This is why the pool industry is so comfortable with pool packages. In the marketing world, we call them loss leaders. It's the hook to get you in. It's a low price that doesn't actually include the permit price. It doesn't include tax. So often those loss leader prices skyrocket to what the average pool should cost to begin with. An on-site visit ensures that the pricing is custom to the exact systems and features that you're asking for. So here's what you'll experience when you meet with Shasta. First, you're gonna get a call from a team member to make sure that you are set up with a designer that's perfect, not only in your area, but perfect for you. Then you're actually gonna hear from that designer before the meeting. During the meeting, they're gonna come out and get very specific measurements and ask you a lot of questions. Now, we're not writing a biography on you or anything. We're just trying to find out about you and what's perfect for you, not only in shape, design, and placement, but just how the pool fits, how it functions for you and your family. You should get to make those choices. Often, families will then, at a later date, meet with us at our design centers. Now, these aren't used car sales lots. These are set up as educational sites, if you will, so that you can see, feel, touch things in person. You can look at colors, pick tiles, pick out the interior finish, which gives you the color of water you're gonna get. It actually can be a lot of fun. And from there, the journey begins. So we hope you take us up on that opportunity. Since this is such a significant investment for you, and it's not like a used car. If you get sick of it, you can't go trade it in and start with a new one. This is with you for years. So in order to gain that confidence, go visit our homepage and check out our new pool pricing calculator or a remodeling pricing calculator that gives you pricing instantaneously. Be confident in not only the project, but the components that are going into it.